जैसा कि आपने पिछले व्लॉग में देखा होगा कि कैसे मैं जल, धरती और वायु से किसी तरह लंकावी पहुंची। सो यहाँ से उसकी आगे की जर्नी है। सो हाय, आई एम आकृति प्रसाद और मैं अभी सोलो ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ मलेशिया में। थोड़ा कॉन्टेक्स्ट देने के लिए मैं पहले कुआलालंपुर गई और वहाँ मेरी फ्लाइट छूट गई लंकावी के लिए, और काफ़ी मुशक्क़त के बाद फाइनली लंकावी में हम पहुँच चुके हैं। सो दिस इज़ माई बेसिक ड्रिल फॉर रूम बिकॉज आई एम ट्रैवलिंग सोलो, सो इट्स very important to make sure that you are safe. And after a very smooth check-in into my hotel, I reached to my room and I saw a very beautiful view outside my room. The room was very clean and spacious, and they had a very cute rabbit also made from the towel, and the tea was very gracious to welcome me and give me a little card for having a good day. I quickly showered and went to claim the cappuccino of my day and went to my room to get ready and yap a little for you guys.
मैं जब रात में निकल रही थी वही मैं अपना बोर्डिंग पास ही भूल गई अपने जहाँ मैं बैठी थी लाउंज में। मतलब मैंने स्पेसिफिकली निकाल के रखा कि ओके मैं इसे पॉकेट में अपने फैनी पैक में ले जाऊंगी अपने बैग से, और जब मैंने अपना सारा बैग वगैरह लिया मैं उसे डालना ही भूल गई और मैं वहाँ लाइन में जाकर बोर्डिंग पास देन आई सॉ वहाँ पे जो थे he was running and he was looking for me. I was like yes that's me, that stupid forgetful person is me. And then that's when I realized कि how tired I am and sleep deprived. फ्लाइट में मैं पूरा सोई, 1 घंटे की फ्लाइट थी। एंड गेस व्हाट, जब मैं फ्लाइट पे उठ के अपना सामान जो कि मैंने थोड़ा आगे रखा था मैं वहां गई, पीछे मैं अपना फोन भूल गई और मुझे रियलाइज भी नहीं हुआ। वो मेरे बगल में जो बैठी थी शी वाज लाइक हे योर फोन या मच बेटर, मच थोड़ा अभी पुट टुगेदर वाली फील आ रही है कि हाँ जो मैंने मेहनत करी है ऐसी उठ के नहीं आ गई हूँ। सो या always take proper amount of sleep. मेरा तो ये हो ही नहीं पा रहा, पता नहीं कौन से बदला लिया जा रहा है मुझसे। ऐसा कॉम्पैक्ट और लूज पाउडर में ऐसा डिफरेंस नहीं समझ आया है, और मुझे ऐसे फील आने लगी है कॉम्पैक्ट मेरे शेड का नहीं है। बट वॉट कैन यू डू, नथिंग। बाहर जा रही हूँ तो मैंने ये ले लिया अपना प्यारा झोला।
Went to the beach and sat there to enjoy the beautiful sunset. Right there at the moment I felt all my tiredness going away from my body and my mind, and I just had gratitude in my heart. That's kind of true. Every night there's a fire show that's been put up by a group of boys for the general public, and it's quite exhilarating to watch it. So, walking in the streets of Langkawi, Chenang Beach, there's so many shops for dresses, food spa, some grocery items, some duty-free shops. It's quite nice, very quaint sort of stuff, not too crowded. Booked the activity for my next day and had dinner and called it a night. The next morning I got up early in the hopes that I could catch a sunrise, and I was able to catch it right from my balcony.
Okay, another day, another sleigh. I saw a very beautiful sunrise. मुझे पहले तो लगा था कि कैसा रूम दे दे, पर बहुत सुंदर रूम। I could see a nice sunrise. Now I'll go and get ready because you have to get started early. So 1, 2, 3, start. Hi. So gotten ready. बाद तो ऐसे लाइट मेकअप भी किया है, जस्ट बेसिक कंसीलर एंड लिपस्टिक, थोड़ा सा मस्कारा. मुझे लगता है ना कि वो बैड आइडिया, बिकॉज मैं पानी में जाऊंगी तो अजीब सा बह जाएगा. बट हे, लुकिंग नाइस, फ्रेश. दिस इज द फुल आउटफिट. आई एम वेयरिंग अ romper टुडे. पानी में जाएंगे एंड इनसाइड आई एम वेयरिंग अ swimsuit ताकि इजी हो वहाँ चेंज करने में. और ये पतला भी था, हम होपिंग मुझे चेंज भी ना करना पड़ेगा, सूख जाए. बट लेट्स सी, मे बी स्नॉर्कलिंग होगी नहीं होगी क्या है. आई होप मुझे चेंज ना करना पड़े. आई डोंट वांट टू यूज पब्लिक वॉशरूम एनीमोर. सो यस,
The first activity which I booked was kayaking in the mangroves. I booked it right from my hotel. So the guide picked me right from my hotel and dropped me here at the location.
we are heading towards kayaking. We had थोड़ा सा briefing session about the basics, क्या लेना है नहीं लेना है. एक एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स पैक करनी है. बट एक बैट केस, वहाँ मंकीज बहुत है, तो हम सिर्फ 3-4 आइटम ले जा सकते हैं. एंड यस, इसके बाद कायाकिंग, इसके बाद भी कुछ है एंड देन फिर कायाकिंग होगी. सो राइट ना ग्रुप को 2 में डिवाइड किया गया, आइलैंड हॉपिंग और कायाकिंग. लेट्स सी.
As we were walking, we could see the mangroves getting started. We could see the open roots. So the reason that they have the open roots is to avoid waterlogging in case the water level rises. And we were then taken into a small boat to our floating restaurant. It was quite speedy and windy. Then we were given our own kayaks. Now kayaks have a 2-seater or a single seater, and they gave us some time to get accustomed to it. We could see eagles flying right above our head. The weather was very clear and the water reflected all the greenery that it was surrounded. I was super excited and thrilled to try kayaking for the first time. So let's go. So here I am in my solo sitter kayak. I was very happy and proud that I was able to cover the whole mangroves kayaking by myself. It was then time for lunch. I had requested for a veg meal and it was served. It was very tasty alongside a view.
So I'm back to my room. मेरा जो ड्रेस थोड़ा गीला हो गया, मैंने उसको खा दिया है. Now I have 2 options. या तो मैं बाहर पैरासेलिंग जेट्स की एक्टिविटीज कर सकती हूँ, या आई कैन जस्ट चिल अराउंड इन द पूल. एंड आई एम मोर इंक्लाइंड टू चिल इन द पूल बिकॉज जेट्स की इज लाइक स्कूटी चलाना, बट पानी में स्कूटी चलाना. सो आई एम नॉट दैट. पैरासेलिंग का मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूँ. इज इट गुड, इज इट नॉट, इज इट वर्थ इट, क्योंकि अमाउंट भी तो लगेगा ही. So I'm more inclined towards क्या chill करने pool में.
Had some snacks by the pool and chilled for a while. I booked the activities for the next day basically and then called it a night.
Hello. Another day, another sleigh. So got up, got ready. थोड़ा सा sunrise भी admire किया from the window.
Waking up to a beautiful view is all the reason I work so hard.
I have my hair in a slick bun, my beautiful bag. Here I am, chilling by the pool. So I was supposed to get picked up by 9 a.m. but it's 9:04 and I am ready and waiting in the lobby. Again, who am I? Bun, slick back, before time, waiting for someone else. Improvement, girl, improvement.
So for next day, I had booked an island hopping tour with a team. They took us in small boats to visit different islands, different stoppages. This was kind of the first one. It was quite hot, so I just wrapped a scarf around my face. The next stop was to go for a trail that would lead us to a beautiful lake. 20 ringgit, and you can roam around the park. Or if you want to have any water activities like kayaking, paddling, that also can be done, but you have to pay extra, and it is divided in like life jacket, paddle, kayak, paddle boat, all of that. I have taken for 20 bucks just to roam around the park, because I did kayaking yesterday, so not interested. I just want to roam around, see the rock formations, go through the trail. So yeah. As I walked ahead, I could see the sunlight getting reflected from the lake. The lake was very beautiful and peaceful. I clicked some photos and then I sat over there to soak in all the beauty that it had to offer. We were then taken to the final destination. This is the second or third spot. This has a very beautiful beach with white sand. There were a lot of activities to do by the beach, like parasailing. Once we were done, we were headed back to our hotels, and it was somewhere around lunch time. So I went to this bamboo cafe which was right behind my room. In fact, I could see it from my room. I walked over there and ordered myself a coffee and some pasta with eggs, and trust me when I say I had the most amazing coffee. This was made from coconut milk, and the pasta had like a sunny side up sort of eggs. The final stop to my Langkawi sightseeing place was to visit this sky bridge. This is purely made of steel and a man-made structure which will show you the great architectural marvel of humans. So I took the tickets right over there at the counter, and then we were given these gondolas, or the sky cabs as they call it over there. It was completely off the glass. This is one observatory place. You can either visit it or get another ticket to go inside. The next, again, we took the gondola to go even upwards towards the sky bridge. Again, this is the sky bridge, which is very beautiful. As you can see, it's like a curved way, and you can get the whole view of Langkawi over there. So I'm done with this sky camp. So there are a lot of restaurant, eatery, souvenir shop. There's also a museum, 3D museum here, then cinematic experience, 4D, 6D museum or screen sort of thing. So a lot to do. I was only interested in Sky Bridge and the Sky Camp. Apparently that's the only way I can go over there. So I did that. Rest you have like Turkish grill, Maharaba, different cuisines are here. Subway is also here. There is a pet land with different animals. It's quite fun. If you're coming with kids, they'll have a great time. That was it for the Sky Bridge. That was it for day 2. This was my breakfast plate for day 3, the day where I was leaving Langkawi. So I got ready in this beautiful cohort set. I packed my bags and checked out. I directly went to the airport, and from there I had my connecting flight to India. I had a long layover in Kuala Lumpur, so I made the best use of the time and finally succumbed to the shopping culture of Malaysia and bought myself a bag. Finally, it was time to board my flight and say goodbye to Malaysia, the very beautiful country. I watched some movies on my way in my iPad, chilled a bit, and as I was looking outside my window, I could see my country, India. This made me feel great. I also reflected back on my trip, which again took me through a lot of emotions. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below what do you want to see next.